Okay. Well, I mean, you probably know that you assign your location targeting at a campaign level,
Hmm.
right? So if you want to target different regions, as you said, on an ad group level, you can't do it at that level because the location targeting is defined at the campaign level. Having said that, you can target multiple locations within one campaign, but just know that all the ad groups within that one campaign will be referencing that location targeting at the campaign level. So you might find you want to do this. Okay, you might find you have one campaign which targets the Atlanta region, right?
Hmm.
And the reason you might want to put that in its own campaign is because you want to assign a certain amount of budget to that region.
Okay.
Then you might find you have another campaign not targeting Atlanta, but rather multiple radius targeting around Atlanta,
Okay.
right? With its
Hmm.
own budget as well. Because typically what happens in situations like that, where you want to target, the main hub of where people are, but also the regional hub, is what happens is there's a lot of traffic volume in the main city centers. And the other regions don't get much of a chance, the ads don't get much of a chance to be shown because the Atlanta region is greedy in terms of the budget,
Gotcha.
right?
Okay, that makes sense.
And so therefore the other areas don't get much of an opportunity to get their ads shown because there's so much volume of traffic in the main area, right? So
Okay.
that's why you create another campaign with its own
Hmm.
budget and targeting those outer regions to give those outer regions a chance to be seen, get their ads seen.
Okay, and that would apply even though, say, those cities are only 10 miles away from the main. So that would still apply.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't
Okay.
matter. And I mean, if you wanted to add an extra level of security, you could say, I want these 10 regions that are around Atlanta, and you can actually exclude the middle of Atlanta, the actual region of Atlanta.
Gotcha. Okay. Awesome.
But
Awesome.
you might not need to do that. Like, I mean, I've done that before. So you might be wondering, or somebody is listening to this might be wondering, why do I need to exclude an area if I haven't included it? Right.
Hmm.
And that would be a logical question. The answer might be is there's a setting at the campaign level where you assign your location targeting that says people in or frequently visit these particular regions. So you can also inadvertently capture other areas. It's just one of those things.
Gotcha.
But you know, yeah.
Okay.
That's
Awesome.
that's what I, that's how I would structure it.
Okay. I will do that. I will start on that tonight. Appreciate it.